Hello friends, myself Ajay Ignath Chaudhary and I have completed my BE in Mechanical Engineering. Today's date is 31 January 2022 and today topic is OPS concept in Java and this is an original video for 31 January. So what is OPS? OPS is an object oriented programming system that is a programming paradigm based on the concept of object that contains data and methods. The primary purpose of object oriented programming is to increase the flexibility and maintainability of programs. Object oriented programming brings together data and its behavior, that is method, in a single location. It makes easier to understand how a program works. We will cover each and every OOPS concept in it. So OOPS concept is first is object. Object is an bundle of data and its behavior, oftenly known as methods. Object have two characteristics that they have behavior and states. Example is house. First one is our house. It is an object and state is address, its color and area, and behavior is open door or closed door. Characteristics of object. If you Characteristics of object are abstraction, encapsulation, and polymorphism, and other inheritance. All of that. First one we have to see is the abstraction. Abstraction abstraction is an condition which acquire all the property of an object. It is a process where you show only relevant data and hide unnecessary details of an object from the user. Next one is encapsulation. Encapsulation simply means binding object states, field, and behavior together. If you are creating a class, you are doing encapsulation. Next is message passing. A single object, it's by itself may not be very useful. An application contains many objects. One object interact with another object by invoking methods on that object. Class can be considered as a blueprint using which you can create as many objects as you like. For example, here you have a class with website of two data members, also known as a field, which in instance variable and object states. This isn't just a blueprint. It does not represent any website. However, using it, we can create a website object that represents the websites. Uh, we must create the two object while creating object. We provided separate properties to the object using constructors. Now next one is the constructors. So what is construction? Looks like a method, but it is in fact or not a method. Its name is same as class and name, and it does not return any value. You must have seen this statement is almost all the program have shared. Its syntax is my class object is equal to new my class object semicolon. If you looking to the right side to this statement, we are calling the default constructor of a class by calling to create new object. And there are the four these are the four features of OOPS concept that you must have to understand for OOPS concept in programming language. Now uh, all the process of OOPS concept are necessary. And next one is inheritance. Inheritance it has a property to acquire all the physical and permanent property of object, which is usually depend on the sources of object. There are various types of inheritance, that is multi-level inheritance, single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, the object oriented inheritance. All are considered in OOPS concept. We have to in OOPS. OOPS is necessary for the Java programming, by which we have to in inheritance, we have to see that we have seen that first we have to create a class, and then object in that two or three objects are taken, and it is calling by the another creating another class using various codes, and taking the object which if the if two classes we have to run several methods, then it should extend with the second number of class. First extend second number, in second number we have to extend first number of class, and by calling the methods we have to create object of second number class, and call the method of it will call the method of first one and second one together. So this is the function of inheritance. uh, this is about all the purpose of object oriented programming system in Java. So thank you for watching my video.